Now moving on to an exclusive, one financial giant who has already drawn up a plan for its stressed fund foray is State Bank of India, with the NIIF expected to be one of the possible sponsors. Nisha Poddar, who broke that story, is joining in with exclusive detail. Nisha, how big should be the SBI-led fund and what role will the NIIF play?
So clearly, the largest lender in the country could well be also the largest investor in the stressed assets in the country. What we do gather from sources with direct knowledge of the development at State Bank of India is that a whopping $3 billion stressed asset fund is set to be launched by State Bank of India. And for that, the bank is in talks with the marquee private equity player Warburg Pincus for the same. Also in the fray are two sovereign wealth funds from Middle East who are in touch. So all put together would be raising about $3 billion. Now, it's also an important, it's going to be an important development because government is also backing SBI's fund. What we do gather is that the ambitious NIIF, which is the National Investment and Infrastructure Fund, that is also expected to back and be a sponsor in SBI's large fund. Now, remember, all the banks have been looking at doing this, and State Bank of India is coming in with one of the largest funds in this particular space. Remember, bogged down with the asset constraints and also the debt constraints and the exposure that banks have. Remember, ICICI Bank already has a tie-up with Apollo Private Equity, as well as Kotak has tied up with CPPIB. So next in line could be SBI with marquee private equity as well as other funds, and also NIIF in the fray. We also quizzed MOS Finance Jen Sinha on this particular development.
We expect a variety of funds, distressed debt funds, special situations fund, and NIIF to then participate in the equity investment in these stressed assets thereafter.
Will SBI lead this? Is there any kind of...
Those details are being worked out right now.
What kind of size are we talking about?
We will have a very significant stressed assets fund. There are also many other players that are looking to invest in these stressed assets. So we expect that there will be a vibrant market to be able to take these assets that are in need of equity capital right now over and to bring them back to high quality operating performance.
Jen Sinha speaking to reporters at the sidelines of a conference in Mumbai.